3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Y'all about to witness Big L, Big L, Big L. My whole crew out. The game is called rap.
Alright, what's good, y'all? Back at it again. Another YouTube video. I'm in that Q50 thing. We about to go to a little car meet. It's gonna be at an exhaust shop. So they having a flame tune off. Like whoever got the best flame tune win type shit. This shit finna be crazy as hell, bro. Hopefully I'll kill myself on my way there. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Y'all can hear that, right? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we almost there. One more downshift for y'all. Woo! Let me stop playing, girl, before I crash this bitch. Make sure I'm going in the right direction. Alright, y'all, I'll catch up with y'all when we there. Alright, y'all. We should be pulling up to their location right up the street, right after this light. Come barking up the block. I'm gonna see how many people here. It say it start at 5. It's 4:56. I wanted to see come early because I got family in town. It's still Thanksgiving weekend, day after Black Friday. So we gonna see if it's busting or not. I really came for the flame tune contest. I know I'm not gonna participate because like the cars that I see, my flames is not up to par. Like my flames get big, but like I don't know how to do it while I'm parked. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like when I'm driving, that shit easy. Like, you just driving it, and then you make sure it's in between a certain RPM, and you just tap the gas, and then flames. But like while I'm in park, I be trying to do the same thing, and it don't do nothing. I would have to like rev it all the way out for it to just be like one little flame, bro. I can't hold the flame while I'm in park like how I do while I'm driving. But y'all gonna see. Hopefully it's 8-foot flames today, man. We'll see. Damn, it's a whole ass line. Let me put my hazards on because I'm definitely trying to. Let me park where the spectator parking is at. I might park across the street over there. But this the shop. You see the line of the nice ass cars, bro. Look, you gonna see who pulling in there. Some fire shit. Ooh, what's that? A Camry? Are you serious, dog? A Camry? About to cause an accident on this shit? What the fuck? They got the shit popping out today, eh? That shit. Sketty pack. Behind another sketty pack. Oh no, that's a 5.7. My bad. This shit just getting started. That's why we not seeing too many shit. But you gonna see. It's gonna be more cars popping out and shit. Don't ball your shit up now. I'm recording for this Mustang though. There's a Mustang type. Stupid. Oh my. Crazy. V6. Let me shut the fuck up. That shit down there though sounds crazy. Yeah, like I said earlier, this is just getting started. Hopefully more people start popping up soon. If not, I might have to come back for the flame tilt shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not trying to miss that shit though. You heard how that motherfucking that GTO sound, bro. It's gonna be hella cars just like that, bro. Just waiting for niggas to pull up. Where they parking over there? Is that the spectator parking, I guess? Here. Hella Mopars out today, man. This blue nigga tripping, bruh. He keeps stabbing the guys. I ain't gonna be mad though. I ain't mad. Y'all see it. Some nice shit coming out. Already. Y'all seen this already coming down the street. Another scat pack just pulled up. That is regular traffic, bro. That is a V6. He's not here for the fucking exhaust shit. Street Runners crew. I heard they be coming deep. Only a couple gonna be in the shop though. Alright. All Mopars. Mopars got the gist. They said it's more of their crew, but they just not here. They was able to fit 6 of them shits in here, God. Oh, that's the other one. Hella Mopars though. I ain't see the little pink John. She pretty. That's a nice little wrap on her. I ain't gonna cap. Little scatty pack. I ain't gonna lie. The way the light hit it though. Low-key look like pearl white, but it's pink. That shit's pretty. And got the regular degular. I'm missing the fast shit. Hopefully he turned around now. I don't think he's turning around. I need to ask somebody when they're gonna get started with the flame tune shit. I might be able to hop in the motherfucking shit depending on how many people show up. I thought it was gonna be hundreds. You never know with Houston, bruh. It could be hella people that pop out or it could be a few. Turnout ain't too bad though. It's just hella Mopars, bruh. Now I see 1, 2 Mustangs. 1 Camaro and 1 Pontiac. Everything else a Mopar, bruh. Like, look in there. Everything a Mopar. Crazy. Buy shit. Buy shit only. I'm really fucking with the little Grim Reaper though. Even though she just 5'7", she's still hard. Say Reaper. Reaper RT713. Go follow him. It's really in the details. The details is what like make it pop off, cuz. It's not like no regular, it's the details. got more niggas pulling up. I don't know if he finna do the flame tune shit. They done already started that shit. This shit tough though. It's like the third one here. Everything else, Mopars and shit. Damn, I wish I was recording. This bitch just aired out of nowhere, cuz. This shit fire. Tough. That shit just dropped to the floor. Nah, this a rev battle. Fuck you talking about? Nah, this a rev battle. They got the truck, this truck, versus the Mustang. We finna see. Hold on, I'm trying to get on. Mustang, Lightning, Ram. Heard? Who y'all think got it? Yeah! Oh, yeah. My ear about to blow off in this motherfucker. Yeah! Yeah! That Mustang was doing his shit, bro. Hell yeah. Woo! Yeah! Mustang the winner, y'all. That shit was shooting like 4-foot flames, cuz. The Mustang on bags won the rev battle. On bags, mind you. This shit hard.
Alright guys, we're not going anywhere. Y'all just hang out.
Where the C8 come from, cuz? God damn.
It is a. It definitely is a.
Fuck.
Oh my, this is.
You got a 2J?
Yeah.
2J?
Full turbo?
Damn. Alright, y'all. I just left the rev battle meet. I'm about to just go to this regular car show where people is just parked up and stuff. If I don't hit nobody. Got runners out here in the middle of the street. Come on, dude. But yeah, I'm about to be on the way to the next car meet. Hopefully, y'all enjoy the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe, because gas ain't free. I wanted to be in that rev battle, but at the same time, I think I told y'all before earlier in the video, I know how to do it while I'm driving. I'm not too sure how to do it while stationary. I just take practice. But I was not finna be sitting up there my first time. It was finna boo the hell out of me. Especially with that Mustang. Oh my gosh, that Mustang is crazy. But yeah, I'll catch y'all at the next meet. Hopefully we see some fire shit. That Skyline was fire. I don't know why he pulled up so late though. Meet finna be over in 30 minutes. But yeah. Peep this Acura though. Slammed Acura truck. That shit is fire. Hold on, I'm about to see some crazy builds at this next joint. They might not have flame kits, flame tunes, but I don't know, man. About to see some fire shit. This Mercedes has been trying to keep up, keyword, trying to keep up with me until I get stopped at this red light behind this Acura. But I think we all going to the same spot. I mean, like, what you think? What are the odds of a slammed Acura not going to a car meet on this turn? Hold on. Look at bro. That shit is hard. I'm trying to get my cue like this. Tough ass lights. He got the Skyline lights on his shit. And that Camry. Oh yeah. They always gonna pop out when they fucking Toyotas though. This shit. Probably not gonna be at this one too long. I'm just gonna look at the builds and get the hell out of here. Slammed enough, bro? Slammed enough? It's that Acura I was showing y'all when I pulled up. Oh my gosh. Look at those fucking wheels. Sheesh. Slammed it up. This shit is fire, bro. Low life. All right, so I didn't do an outro. I'm leaving that one because it wasn't too many cars. It was nice builds, but it wasn't too many, so I'm just getting out of here. I'm going back to my side of the about 40 minutes away, cuz. I'm on home. I ain't gonna lie. My back is killing me after that first meet, bro. 1 meet a day for me. But at least I got a little bit more content. That Q50, whoo, he said it's a 17. Best believe I'm gonna start looking for them Skyline lights, because those just pop different. Oh, these roads is crazy. All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Stay strapped. Keep God on you. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. Love you guys.
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。